Can you finish this video without
yawning?
Now, yawning is one of the most contagious behaviors between humans. In fact,
Just seeing me yawn probably makes you want to yawn too.
scientists have even proven that just describing that pressure that slowly builds up in your chest or that tickle in the back of your throat
Right before you yawn probably gives you
that same urge. But if you still haven't given in, 8 years ago, I watched this guy's viral yawn from College Humor, and he made me and millions of people
all yawn.